Set is an unordered collection of data in Python, which offers implementation of mathematical concepts like union, intersection, etc. We studied union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference in the last session. Hello everyone, welcome to the Python session. And in this session, we will study how to check subset and superset in Python. In many real-life problems and projects, we need to check whether the values in one group exist in other group or not. For such cases, we use subset. Suppose we have three sets. First is a set of students with values Tom, John, Dinesh, Aniket, Harry, Bella and Donald. Well, in colleges or school, students participate in different activities. Suppose student Tom, Bella and Aniket are participating in sports. We will present this in set sports. Similarly, we will create a set for music and dance like this. Here, look at the dance set. No student from the dance set is present in the student set. Suppose we want to check whether the students participating in the dance are part of our student set or not. It means whether dance is a subset of students or not. In other words, we need to check whether all the values present in the dance exist in students or not. For that, inside print, we will write dance dot issubset and in bracket pass the set students. Run the code. You see, you got the output false because students in the dance set are not present in our student set. Now, we will check whether the sport is a subset of students or not. For this, we will write print and inside print sports dot issubset and in bracket pass the value students. Run the code. Here you got the output true because all the students participating in sports are in our set students. I hope you understood the uses of issubset function. Let's move to issuperset function. Issuperset is precisely the opposite of issubset. With issuperset function, we can check whether the given set has all the set values or not. Let's understand this with an example. If you look at this set, you can easily say students are the subset of musics. Just check with the coding. Write a print statement and inside print write students dot issuperset and in bracket pass the set music. Run the code. Here you got output true because student is the superset of music. Instead of music, if you pass the value dance, you will get the false output like this. Well, this was about subset and superset. There is one more feature of set called isdisjoint. Two sets are said to be disjoint if they don't have any common element between them. In our case, sports and dance are disjoint. Even student and dance is disjoint. Let's check that programmatically. Write a print statement and inside print write student dot isdisjoint and pass the value dance. Run the code. You got the output true because no element from dance is present in the set students. If you pass the value sport instead of dance, you will get the output false because values from sports are present in the student set. Well, this was all about sets. You may say you can quickly tell whether a set is a subset or superset. Why we need programming for this? Yes, that's true, but only for 5 or 10 students. But if you have 1,000 students like in school or 10,000 students like in university, it's not possible. For such cases, we required programming. We studied how to declare a set, modify it using add, remove, discard, pop and clear function. We also know how to copy set with or without memory location mapping. I mean creating a distinct copy. We also learn the different mathematical concepts that we can implement on set like union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, subset and superset and even disjoint. I hope you got some insight into set. Now we will move to our next and final data collection data type, that is dictionary, but that in the next session. Thanks.